So I'm interested in the construction trade because I kind of learned some stuff from my father. He's in the trade, and I just kind of fell in love with it. So I decided to come and pursue an actual career.
I've been doing stuff, building stuff since I was 8 years old with my mom. My dad, he works out in Chicago doing construction, and my mom, she showed me how to do like anything from flooring to electrical to plumbing, tile work. So I always been crafty with my hands. That's pretty much it. That's what I love to do.
What interested me about Gwinnett Tech was that it's basically the only one that had the construction program when I looked at it, and they seem to be very reputable.
I've been in Atlanta since 2005, and I've been in Gwinnett since then. So once I realized that that's what I wanted to do, I just pretty much Googled some places and did some research, and I found Gwinnett Tech to be like the best program that was here in Gwinnett. So I gave them a call, they showed me around. The instructor was nice. When I first started, it was 3 girls, like 25 students, and then towards the end it became like 12 of us, and I'm the only girl left out of my program.
My advice to other women would be to keep persevering. It's kind of tough to work for the guys to take you serious, but as long as you know what you're doing, they have to take notice.
If you want to join and you're a woman, do it. Don't get discouraged because people think it's a male industry. Don't get discouraged. There's a lot of things that we can do that guys can do. And make sure when you do come in this industry, you have a voice. Don't be quiet and intimidating because as guys here, we work just as hard, sometimes even better. So I would say just follow your dream and do it.